guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute since I last posted, but trust me, I have been working on culinary divine powers, if such a thing actually existed. Anyways, let's talk about mashed potatoes, the thing that is often most synonymous with people who are lactose intolerant with extreme pain. Well, what if I told you that there was a way to have delicious, creamy mashed potatoes without a hint of dairy or lactose in it? Is it falsehood? Is it mythology? I don't know. Let's see. Ingredients: 16 to 24 fluid ounces of chicken, or if you're vegetarian, vegetable stock. Salt, no less than a tablespoon. Pepper to taste. 10 potatoes. You can adjust up or down depending on your desired quantity of leftovers. 3 cloves of garlic. 1 tablespoon of ghee, which is also known as clarified butter. A potato masher, and 1 stock pot. Scrub any dirt off your potatoes and cut them into medium-sized chunks. If that is a meaningless measurement, that's fine. Cut twice in one direction and then twice again perpendicular to the first. Throw them all in your pot. Next, boil some water in an electric kettle or put water in your pot and bring it to a boil. Use 70% or so burner power and set a timer for 30 minutes, or until the potatoes are easily pierced by a fork. Drain the water off, and now the real work begins. Mash your potatoes into a rough paste and then add your stock. I immediately add 1 cup of stock and then see what the consistency is before adding more. You don't want liquid potatoes, but you do want that nice creamy texture. Throw in your ghee, and it's basically one of those mix everything in fast that seems to be a common theme in my recipes. Press in your raw garlic. You can mince it if you want, but again, we press garlic to make it more evenly distributable. Put in your salt and pepper, but make sure that you taste this as you go. Mashed potatoes are only as well seasoned as your palate will tolerate, so don't just throw things in and be surprised when you don't like it. Make sure to mix everything really well so that the flavors are evenly distributed. Honestly, you should ditch that ratty potato masher for an actual mixing spoon, but if you don't like doing dishes, ignore my catty remarks. That's it! You're now ready to enjoy your delicious lactose-free mashed potatoes. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment below if there's anything you'd like to add or critique. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you can see when I post new stuff. I'll see you guys in my next video.